This is not only Sherbrook Valley. Thank you. This is Sherbrook. How about this? Right, we are off in this direction. Right, from the Seven Springs car park, we're on the trail that goes from Seven Springs over to the stepping stones. Hiya. Yeah, not so bad. Jump on. I don't know if you can hear the gunfire, but they sound as though they're having a very good time over there. Oh. Right, now then, here we go again on the trail from Seven Springs car park. Hiya. To the stepping stones. And it looks as though the trail's got some interesting muddy bits. Brilliant. This, if you ever come to Cannock Chase, the Seven Springs car park is actually a good spot to start your adventure from. And this trail today, because we're just after a storm, has got quite a few puddles on it, but normally this is actually a good sound trail. Once again, if you've got a pretty good class 3 with a decent battery, it's one to have a go at. Thank you. Oh, just enjoying the scenery, which is amazing. Beautiful trail. Some good muddy bits. Ah, look at the way the sun is coming through there. That's lovely. Shaft of light. This part of the chase here has got an air about it. I can still hear the rifles, the shotguns going off. Very gnarly trees. If you see my video or see one of my previous videos called the Tolkien Trail, have a look at that and you'll see the significance of these trees. So interesting. Oh, it's great having three all-wheel drive. Thank you. Oh, great, thanks very much. It is, cheers. Hello. Oh, I have to read that poster on the notice board, see what they're up to. Thank you. Now there's a happy dog.
Yeah.
Look at him. Now here is Sherbrook Valley, and in Sherbrook Valley we have the stepping stones. This is not only Sherbrook Valley, thank you, this is Sherbrook. How about this? Jump on. Isn't that lovely? Hello.
You're the one that puts stuff on the chase?
I am, yes.
You're recording now?
Yes.
Right.
Sorry, do you want to be in or out? Because I take people out. Yeah, I was just trying to make my mind up whether to go that way at a pace down the, because that's a good route, or go that way and have a wimpy. What time is it? It's dinner time, isn't it?
12 for sure. 12, yeah.
It's wimpy.
We're doing just like doing trails for...
Oh yeah, it's just a lot of fun.